Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui te rā. Mōrena, Mr. Sun. Mōrena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me, the 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe. Good work, my Tākaro Tribe. It makes me happy to see you all keeping your house clean and tidy.
We love our kāinga home, Kōkā. Yes, we love our home, so we have to take care of our home. And flowers make our home so pretty.
Yes, how lucky you are.
Look, our whāriki, Matt, has a big mouth. Oh no! That is a hole! I know! We need to weave another mat. Yes, that means we need to go and cut some flax. I love cutting flax. Me too! We can all work together to make a new mat.
Don't forget your karakia, Tākaro Tribe.
We won't forget, Kōkā! Te harakeke te kōrari, ngā taonga whakarere iho, o te rangi, o te whenua, o ngā tūpuna. Ho mai he oranga, mō mātou, Hei Māori ora. It's amazing all the things you can make with harakeke.
Yes, harakeke is a very special plant and we have to care for it.
Like we care for all the plants and trees in the forest.
That's right. If you look after the forest, then it will look after you.
Oh, Pāpā Rākau is calling us.
Off you go to see what Pāpā Rākau wants.
Tamariki mā, noho mai, ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai, ki ngā kōrero, o te ao marama. Aue.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. How are you all today?
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, Kiwi. We've been collecting flax to do some weaving.
Weaving is important work, but right now we need your help.
What's wrong?
Kiwi tells me that Moko ka Kariki is in trouble and he needs all your help.
Then we need to help him. But first, we should ask the forest to help. Kiwi! E te wānui e hora nei, tēnei te Māori ka whakapiki, ko te Māori o ngā tamariki a tāne māhuta. Te Māori ka puta ki te whaiau, ki te ao mārama. Haumi e, hui e, taiki e. It's the letter F.
I'm sure that will be a big help. Off you go, Tākaro Tribe.
Bye, Pāpā Rākau. Ka kite.
Aha ka mana para kawana pa, e heke mene pere te wanepe, I hiki mini kiri tiwingi fi, oho ka mono pora kawana po, a e, I o u, uhuku muna piri tunu fu.
Moko ka kariki.
Moko Kākāriki says he fell in the river when he was having a drink. He climbed onto the rock and now he's stuck.
Moko ka kariki is very lucky that you saw him, Kiwi. Kiwi! How can we save him? Shall we swim to him? But how could we bring him back? It might be too dangerous. What can we do?
Maybe the forest has given you a clue.
What letters are in our kete, ah?
Can you read what that says?
F, E, R, E. Fi, ri. Firi.
Quite right, Tākaro Tribe. Whiri, plat.
Of course. Let's use our harakeke to whiri, plait a rope to help Moko ka kariki. We won't be long, dear friend. Come on, everyone. Let's plait some rope. It's done. We made a toda rope.
Well done, Tākaro Tribe. Try again, this time with all your might.
Hooray! Gecko is safe and sound.
And now you have a fine rope to play with. Great work, Tākaro Tribe.
Did you help Moko Kākāriki?
Yes, he was stuck on a rock in the middle of the river. But we worked together to whiri, plait a rope to rescue him. Yes, we all worked together to save Moko Kākāriki.
Well done, Tākaro Tribe. Harakeke is such a special plant.
Yes, and we still have to weave a new mat for our home.
Yes, you do. What shape will your new mat be?
Maybe it can be a porofita, circle. Or maybe a tapawha hangai, rectangle. I think it should be a tapawha, square, just like the old one.
Good idea, ah? Let's look at other things that are tapawha, square.
Tapawha.
Time for you all to visit Kōkā.
Yora tangariki ma, noho mai ki takutaha, taha mai ki ta, Kōkā taha, ti hei Māori ora.
What a busy day you've had, Tākaro Tribe.
Ana!
Shall we look at the things you did?
Ana!
You went to collect harakeke, flax, to make a new mat. But then Pāpā Rākau called you. Kiwi was there and needed help rescuing moko kākāriki. He was stuck on a rock in the middle of the river. The forest gave you a clue. Whiri. Whiri. Plait. You managed to whiri, plait a rope and used it to rescue moko kākāriki. Phew! Good work, Tākaro Tribe. How do you all feel now?
We feel harikwa! Hey!
What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say good night. Pōmarie. Good night, Tākaro Tribe.
Pōmarie!
Horoia tō mata, parai he hia o niho, kuhuna o kakamoe pōmari e kuhu ki te moinga, takoto iho ki raro, e pai ai o moe moe ia. Kia au tō moe, e pai ai o moe moe ia. E pai ai o moe moe ia.
Pōmarie! Good night!
He mea tautoko nā te māngai.
Pāho.